Pangilang project mo to? Movie yan?
Ayun pa lang po. This is my first time po working with Regal Film and first movie ko din po siya. So, kaya kabado po ako pero na-excite din po ako.
Pero paano ka napili dito sa project na to? Nag-audition ka ba or hindi?
Hindi po ako nag-audition. Handpick lang po. So, kaya grateful po ako sa Regal Entertainment kasi ako po yung napili nila na i-portray itong character na to.
Pero kailan ka pa nag-start mag-artista? Pero nalusaw ka bigla sa ilaw. Ayan, okay na yan.
Nag-start po ako 2019 po during the pandemic.
So parang naudlot. Yes, parang stop siya for a while.
Yes.
So, pero ang project mo na nagawa, like teleserye
marami na rin.
Like ano na?
Marry Me, Marry You, Beach Bros, series po siya, and then 2 MMK po, and then isang Dirty po, teleserye din.
So ngayon, wala kang teleserye?
As of now po, wala. So, ito po yung comeback ko ulit. Ngayon po.
Pero how young are you? Ilang taon ka na?
I'm 19 years old po.
Ha?
I'm 19 years old.
Talaga?
Yes,
mukhang bata.
turning 20 na po this year.
Meron ba nagsasabi sa'yo na may mga look-alike ka? Like,
marami po.
Like sino daw? Si
Messi Torres, si Ian Santos, Kim Domingo.
Elena Darna para.
Meron din po, meron din.
So dito, ano ka? Victim ka ng... kasi kanina diba sa store, pinakita naman. So, kukunan yung actual na scene yun.
I'm not sure po.
Pero sa script na nababasa mo, may in-explain doon naman.
May mga na-explain naman po. So, hindi pa ako masyado magsasabi ng information po, but abangan nyo na lang po. And please support us po dito sa movie na gagawin po namin.
Pero just in case meron, hindi ka naman hesitant sa ganung roles. Rape scene, for example.
Kasi character naman po siya, so I'm really open po with anything. Kasi sabi ko nga po sarili ko, alis na po ako sa comfort zone po. And also may consent naman po ng parents ko. So any po. I'm open po with anything. Basta character po and approved po sa akin sa parents ko.
So okay lang sa'yo yung gano'n?
Opo. If ever po may gano'n.
If ever lang may gano'n?
Opo.
So, hindi natin alam kasi babae naman ang director.
Yes.
Pero for sure, very vital yung part na yun eh. Kasi doon nagsimula ang lahat ng yung story, di ba?
Yes.
Talaga.
Yun lang po yung masasabi ko as of now.
Ayan, thank you.
Muna natin si Dustin. Yes, Dustin. Si Noreen na lang muna, Noreen. Ay, nagtitatlo na nga. Yes, Noreen. Para huwag na kayo magsalita ng tungkol sa mga roles nyo na lang.
Oo, kasi minsan sobrang excited sila sa mga roles nyo, mga sabi sila hindi. So, Guilty Pleasure, ano muna siya? So, it explores the complex relationships and struggles ng tatlong ambitious lawyers as they navigate their way through love, betrayal, and ambition. It also sheds light about the Me Too theme, pati yung consent, and betrayal, and revenge. So, direct, controversial siya, and napapanahon ngayon na where do you draw the line, at kailan mo ba sasabihin na na-violate ka, or na-rape ka, or na-abuse ka, at kailan naman yung it's part of your relationship lang naman. So, para mabilisan na lang din, kwento lang, syempre, si Lovie, she is Alexis, she's a highly skilled attorney, may sarili siyang law firm, na maliit, and she was hired by a celebrity na si Dustin Yu to defend him kasi he was accused of rape by another celebrity na si Angelica. So si Lovie, makakalaban niya, bisa ko na lang since paano makakatuwa siya, nag-answer na sila. So si Lovie, nung malaman niya na ang nag-a-accuse, ang abogado nag-a-accuse kay Dustin Yu, isang malaking firm kung saan siya nagsimula before. And manunubalik, we have two timelines from the past and the present na kung paano niya nakilala si JM at si Jameson. Si JM is the senior associate doon na siya yung sobrang love talaga ni Lovie, and she feels na team sila and pareho sila ng goal and all, but then he betrays her and this almost ruined her career and siya yung worst heartache ni Lovie talaga. But then she meets this young law student na si Jameson, si Matthew, intern, minentor niya. So parang mentor-mentee relationship meron sila. So ito yung mga tatlo, yung nakasama niya sa past. So ngayon, ito yung mga makakalaban niya habang dinedefend nila yung kaso. So habang nakikita natin yung story ng victim and ng accused, meron din silang sariling story sila. So yun nga.
Yung si Annalyn,
Yeah, of course, dito June na-excite ako kasi yung cast natin is sobrang bigating. And also I feel pressured din kasi first time itong gagawin yung role ko. But anyways, I'm always ready naman sa lahat ng characters na bibigay sa akin. And I promise na gagalingan.
Okay, si Sarah. Okay, Miss Amy.
Sir June, ano po yung tanong? Same question as Dustin.
Gano'n ka ka-excited na malaman mo kasama ka dito tapos nakita rin mo.
Ito pala, hindi ko nasabi kanina pasensya na sana.
Ayun po. So I'm also very, very excited. I've had the pleasure of working with Lovely before, and I am looking forward to working with her again on this project. And of course, bigatin nga po ang cast natin ngayon. I'm very excited to work with everyone. Yung character ko po, dito ay si Kate, and she is the daughter of the owner of the Atticus Law Firm. And she's used to getting whatever she wants because she's a daddy's girl. Her dad loves her very much. But with that, she's also naive and unaware of her surroundings. So yun po si
Ito yung asawa?
Ako yung asawa.
Okay, yan. Siyempre excited ka rin mapanood ka dito dahil ang galing mo sa Lovers.
Thank you po. Thank you so much. I'm also very excited to be here po. And gagalingan ko pa rin my best.
Kung kita ka nakatingin si JM, nanood kayo tayo siya ng Lovers. Ito na si Angelica.
Hello po. Ako rin po, I'm really excited po to work with the entertainment po and also sa mga bigating cast nga po. And ayun po, pressure po ako dahil ang magiging character ko po dito is hindi ko pa nagagawa sa buong buhay ko. So, ayun, kaya abangan niyo po.
Chinese ka?
Yes.
Ano?
Yung dad ko po sa professional. So, that's why now. Pero wala pa akong vlog.
Pero ang ganda mo in fairness.
Thank you.
Ito, ano pong role niyo, Miss Connie?
Kasi nakapag-relax ako pag kahit isang glass ng wine.
Normal ano pa lang
Not good for my health.
ordinary.
Pero minimake sure ko naman na
Hindi ako nagigil pag uminom ako.
I work out. And yeah, as a normal person, I think it's normal din na magkaroon ng kasi personally, as long as may iba akong ginagawa outside showbiz, hindi naman ako naiiyak. So, I just make sure na if walang project, I do business, I do sports, I do like running. So, that makes me feel na hindi dapat ako mainit kasi may iba akong ginagawa. Occupied, yeah. Thank you so much.
Sarah.
Ako naman po, I believe that there is a right time for everyone. So of course, drinking is also part of the process. But what I'm also willing to do to achieve my dreams is I am ready for new adventures on starting new challenging roles and being open to acting pieces.
Ako po same po with Dustin and Ate Sarah. Ako rin po, marami rin po akong ginagawa sa life ko din po. So hindi po ako tatabarin mag-wait dahil nag-study po ako. And also, malapit na rin po ako mag-acting workshop. And also,
marami pa po akong ginagawa sa like gym or basta nililibang ko po yung sarili ko para hindi po ako mainag. And also, pinaghahandaan ko din po yung mga magiging roles ko po na ibibigay po sa akin ng mga directors po and also the the manager ko po. So, yun po.
Pero you said,
Kasi 5 years ago was the last time we worked kami really together, and since that time we were dreaming of working together in another project, and so finally eto na siya. Actually, reunion to, I've worked with JM before on his first series or second series, and I've worked with Jason with Thomas Girl. So parang this time we're all working together with a different perspective of each other and of life. And siguro, magiging sobrang ganun yung approach to how we're going to flesh out the characters and the story of Guilty Pleasure. So, abangan niyo yan.
Yung first project niyo, Malaya, di ba?
Yes, we shot it in
Italy. Pero eto syempre, lagi po.
Yes, of course, I'm nervous to be honest. Kasi kakaiba yung character na ipoportray namin dito, and the depth of the story is something that is very different from most of the projects that I've done. But yes, of course, with the guidance of Dylan, I'm sure she's gonna help us maneuver this whole these different characters that we're gonna portray. But of course, I'm very, very happy and I'm ecstatic to work for the first time with JM and Jameson. I'm really excited. Kaya din siguro ako nervous na sandwich naman ako nitong dalawang guys na to. I'm like, I'm looking forward to that. And of course, the whole cast, everyone's amazing, especially when we did the script reading a few days ago. Parang masarap yung pakiramdam na nakita mo kung paano mag-deliver yung bawat characters. And of course, kay Direk Connie, I've always wanted to work with her again after seeing Malaya. It's something that sabi ko, I just want to keep working with her because I always learn from her. That's why I said, aside from being one of her actors, I'm just excited to be a student again. So I'm going to enter set with an open mind and know that I'm going to be absorbing a lot and be learning a lot from you. So.
Ang ganda, no?